In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Markdown block in Squarespace. We'll be working directly inside the Squarespace editor, and the goal is to add a Markdown block, format your content using standard Markdown syntax, and then apply a simple custom CSS style so the block looks more polished and easier to read. To begin, open your page in Squarespace and make sure you're in the page layout editing view. If needed, use Chrome. As you access the editor, then click Edit so you can work inside the page canvas. This is where you'll be able to place and manage your content blocks. Once you're in edit mode, click Add Block. Squarespace will open the block library where you can choose from different content elements. From that list, select the Markdown block. This block is useful when you want more control over text structure using Markdown formatting instead of relying only on the standard text editor tools. After the block is added, click into the text editor area and begin typing your content using Markdown syntax. For example, you can type a heading with a hash symbol followed by your title, use double asterisks around text you want in bold, or create simple list-style content using Markdown notation. The important thing here is to enter your content directly in the editor using clean, standard Markdown formatting. This gives you a quick way to create structured content while keeping the editing process lightweight and efficient. If you want to go a step further and customize how the Markdown block appears, open your custom CSS editor. This is where you can add styling rules that override the default appearance of the block. Custom CSS is especially helpful if you want your paragraph text to better match your site's branding, improve readability, or create a more consistent design across pages. In the custom CSS area, paste in this styling rule: SQS block markdown. Color 333. Important font size 8tpx. Important line height 1.6. Important. This code targets paragraph text inside the Markdown block. It changes the text color to a dark gray, increases the font size to 18 pixels, and sets the line height to 1.6, which makes the text easier to read and gives it better spacing. The important flag helps ensure these style choices